Today I am reviewing the PowerStop front and rear brake kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you drive a heavy-duty vehicle like a Ram 1500 or a loaded-down Dodge Durango, you quickly realize that the factory braking system often feels like the weak link in the chain. I have spent years hauling trailers and navigating steep grades, and that sinking feeling of brake fade when you are trying to slow down a multi-ton rig is something I never want to experience again. After swapping out my tired stock components for the PowerStop Z36 truck and tow brake kit, specifically the K2164-36 set, I can confidently say that the difference is night and day. This isn't just a basic replacement part. It is a complete performance overhaul that addresses every major flaw found in original equipment brakes. The first thing you notice when you unbox this kit is the sheer quality of the engineering. You get front and rear drilled and slotted rotors along with carbon fiber ceramic pads, and everything feels significantly more substantial than what came from the factory. The rotors are the star of the show here. Because they are precision drilled, they do an incredible job of keeping the temperatures down. If you have ever been halfway down a mountain pass and felt your steering wheel start to shudder, you know exactly what heat soak feels like. With these PowerStop rotors, the holes allow for maximum airflow and cooling, while the slots act like a squeegee to clear away gas and debris. This means that even under heavy stress, the contact patch between the pad and the rotor remains clean and effective. Speaking of the pads, the Z36 carbon fiber ceramic formula is a masterclass in friction technology. Most heavy-duty pads are notorious for being incredibly loud or leaving your wheels covered in thick black soot within a week. PowerStop has somehow managed to create a high-friction compound that remains remarkably quiet and low dust. The addition of carbon fiber to the ceramic weave provides the structural integrity needed to handle the added weight of a trailer or a bed full of gear without the pads crumbling or glazing over. During my first few hundred miles, including a weekend trip towing a heavy boat, the bite was consistent and immediate. You don't have to stand on the pedal to get a response anymore. There is a linear, predictable feel that gives you so much more confidence when you are merging into traffic or coming to a sudden stop on the highway. Installation was surprisingly straightforward for a full four-wheel kit. PowerStop includes all the necessary premium stainless steel hardware, which is a detail many other brands overlook. Having fresh clips and pins ensures that the pads slide freely and do not drag, which further extends the life of the system. I also really appreciated the clear break-in instructions provided. Following that vetting procedure is crucial for transferring a thin layer of friction material onto the rotors, and once that was done, the stopping power felt institutional. This kit fits a massive range of vehicles, from the 2006 to 2018 Ram 1500 5-lug models to the later Ram Classic versions, as well as the Chrysler Aspen and Dodge Durango from the late 2000s. If you are driving one of these vehicles, you know they are heavy machines that demand a lot from their brakes. Moving to a kit where the components are specifically designed to work together as a synchronized unit is so much better than buying piecemeal parts from a local shop. You are getting a system where the pad compound is matched to the rotor metallurgy, which maximizes both the longevity and the raw stopping distance. If you have a lifted truck with oversized tires, or if you find yourself constantly hauling equipment for work, the stock brakes are simply not enough. The PowerStop Z36 kit eliminates that spongy, pedal feel and replaces it with a firm, authoritative stop every single time. It handles the extra heat of towing with ease and looks great behind the wheels thanks to that silver zinc plating on the rotors, which helps prevent rust and corrosion. It is an investment in safety and performance that pays for itself the very first time you have to make an emergency stop while fully loaded. I wouldn't trust my truck or my cargo to anything less than this setup. It has turned my driving experience from a stressful chore into a much more controlled and enjoyable ride.